Cow's milk has been a staple in diets around the world for centuries, valued not only for its taste but also for its numerous health benefits. From childhood through adulthood, this nutritious beverage provides essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. One of the primary benefits of cow's milk is its rich source of calcium. Calcium is crucial for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Children and adolescents especially benefit from calcium intake during their growth years, as it helps in achieving peak bone mass, which is vital for bone health throughout life. Adults also need adequate calcium to prevent osteoporosis, a condition characterized by brittle bones that are prone to fractures. In addition to calcium, cow's milk is a good source of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, making it an important component of a balanced diet for people of all ages. The protein in milk contains all the essential amino acids needed by the body, making it a complete protein source. Furthermore, cow's milk is fortified with vitamin D, another nutrient crucial for bone health. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium more efficiently, further enhancing its benefits for bone strength. Adequate vitamin D intake is also associated with a lower risk of various chronic diseases, including cardiovascular disease and certain types of cancer. For growing children, cow's milk provides essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and phosphorus. These nutrients play key roles in supporting immune function, maintaining healthy vision, promoting red blood cell production, and aiding energy metabolism. Beyond its nutritional content, cow's milk offers hydration benefits. It is composed mostly of water and can help maintain fluid balance in the body, especially important during physical activity or in hot weather. Moreover, recent research suggests that consuming dairy products like cow's milk may have additional health benefits. For example, some studies indicate that dairy consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. The exact mechanisms behind these associations are still being studied, but it is believed that components such as calcium, vitamin D, and specific proteins in milk may play a role in improving insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. It's important to note that while cow's milk provides numerous health benefits, individuals with lactose intolerance or milk allergy should seek alternatives or choose lactose-free milk options. Additionally, moderation is key, as excessive consumption of whole milk can contribute to high saturated fat intake, which may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease if consumed in large amounts over time. In conclusion, cow's milk is a valuable source of essential nutrients that support bone health, muscle growth, immune function, and overall well-being. From childhood growth to maintaining health in adulthood, including dairy products like milk in a balanced diet can contribute to a healthy lifestyle. As with any food, choosing high-quality milk and consuming it in moderation can help individuals reap the full benefits without potential drawbacks.